the function is 0. There, the points on the maximum and minimum are stationary points. ये एक और मेथड ऑफ फाइंडिंग मैक्सिमा एंड मिनिमा, चार मेथड दी गई है. फाइंड f dash of x, putting f dash of x equals to 0 and find stationary points. Consider the sign of f of x. f dash of x is neighborhood of the stationary point. जो stationary point हो गए उसके साइन देख लेनी है. If it changes from positive to negative, then f dash of x is then f of x is maximum value at the point, and if f dash of x changes sign from negative to positive, then f of x has minimum value at that point. Fourth, if f dash of x doesn't change sign in the neighborhood of the point, then it is a point of inflection. Example 30. Find the local maximum and local minimum points of the function f of x equals to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x. Hence ये पूरा लिखना है, सेम डैश कर देना है. तो ये जो डेरिवेटिव होगा वो f dash of x equals to 0 gives us 3x square minus 6x minus 9 equal to 0, x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0, x minus 3 x plus 1 equals to 0 at x equals to 3 and x equals to minus 1. X equals to 3 and x equals to minus 1, where stationary points are x equals to 3. Step 2, at x less than 3, f dash of x less than 0. For x greater than 3, f dash of x is greater than 0. F dash of x changes sign from negative to positive. The neighborhood of 3, f of x is minimum value at x equals to 3. Step 3, at x equals to minus 1, जो नेगेटिव वाली टर्म थी वो. For x is less than and minus 1, f dash of x is greater than 0. x is less than greater than minus 1, f dash of x is less than 0. ये पूरा उसका उल्टा हो जाएगा. जो फंक्शन होगा वो होगा उसका उल्टा होगा x की वैल्यू. f dash of x changes sign from positive to negative in the neighborhood of minus 1. f of x has maximum value at x equals to minus 1. X equals to minus 1 and x equals to 3 give us a point of maximum and minima respectively. If we want to maximum value, minimum value, then we have maximum value f of minus 1 equals to minus 1 the whole cube minus 3 minus 1 का square minus 9 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 plus 9 equals to 5. तो मिनिमम वैल्यू होगी x equals to f of x equals to 3. तो 3 का क्यूब माइनस 3 इंटू 3 का स्क्वायर माइनस 9 इंटू 3, तो होगा माइनस 27. तो उसकी वैल्यू हो गई माइनस 1 and 5 and 3 and minus 27 are the points of local maximum and local minimum respectively. वैसे एक एग्जांपल है x square minus 4x, डेरिवेटिव करें 2x minus 4x of x minus 2, putting f dash of x is equal to 0 yields 2x minus 4 equals to 0, that is x is equal to 2. We have to examine whether x equals to 2 is the point of local maxima or local minima, or either maximum or minimum. Let us take x equals to 1.9, which is the left of 2, and x is equal to 2.1, which is right of 2, and find f dash of x at these points. F dash of 1.9 equals to 2 into 1.9 minus 2 is less than 0. F dash of 2.1 equals to 2 into 2.1 minus 2 is greater than 0. Since f dash of x is less than 0, as we approach 2 from the left and f dash of x is greater than 0 as we approach 2 from the right, therefore there is a local minima at x equals to 2. We can put our findings for signs of derivative of f of x in any tabular form, including the one given below. Sign of f dash of x is at point x equals to 2. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड के ऊपर लेफ्ट ऑफ 2 राइट ऑफ 2 f dash of x is greater than 0 and f dash of x is greater than 0 local minimum. Find local maxima and minimum of function. ये फंक्शन दिया है, डेरिवेटिव कीजिए पहले, फिर उसको 6 जो कॉमन निकल रहा है कॉमन निकाल दीजिए, डायरेक्ट आते हैं. नाउ सॉल्विंग f dash of x equals to 0 for x we get x of x plus 6 of x plus 1 into x minus 2 equals to 0 at x equals to minus 1 and 2. f dash of x is equal to 0 at x equals to minus 1 and 2. We examine whether these points are points of local maxima or local minima or neither of them. Consider the point x equals to let us take x equals to minus 1.1 which is to be left of minus 1 and x is equal to minus 0.9 which is the right of minus 1 and find f dash of x at this point. f dash of minus 1.1 x की जगह minus 1.1 रख देना है और दूसरी जगह x की जगह minus 0.9 रख देना है. Thus at x equals to minus 1 there is a local maximum considered at a point x equals to 2. Now let us take x equals to minus 1.9 which is left of x and 2.1 which is right of x. Finding x dash of x f dash of x at these points. f dash of minus 1.9 x की जगह वो रख देना है. x into positive number into negative number is a negative number क्योंकि माइनस प्लस प्लस माइनस माइनस ही होता है तो नेगेटिव नंबर ही रहेगा. n x की जगह 2.1 कर दीजिए तो जो जिसकी वैल्यू होगी वो ग्रेटर देन 0 होगी और 1.9 की वैल्यू लेस देन 0 होगी. ये रहा. एक और साइन है, देखिए टेबल साइन ऑफ f dash of x point x equals to minus 1 and point x equals to 2, left of minus 1 right of minus 1 positive negative local maxima, point x equals to 2 left of 2 right of 2 negative positive local minimum. A function है x upon 1 plus x square same finding local local maximum and minimum. f dash of x u and v rule अप्लाई कीजिए तो 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square the whole square होगा. Finding for finding points of a local maxima or local minima equate f of x f dash of x to 0. 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square the whole square equals to 0. That is 1 minus x square is equal to 0. 1 plus x 1 minus x is equal to 0 where x equals to 1 and minus 1. Consider the value of x equals to 1. The sign of f dash of x for this value of x slightly less than 1 then the slightly greater than 1 changes positive to negative. Therefore there is a local maxima at x equals to 1 and local maxima value 1 upon 1 plus 1 square 1 upon 1 plus 1 equals to 1 upon 2. Let us now consider x equals to minus 1. 1 की जगह minus 2 कीजिए तो होगा ऊपर से माइनस की साइन आ जाएगी. minus 1 रखे इधर तो माइनस माइनस प्लस होगा तो 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus 1 equals to minus 1 upon 2. आगे इसकी मिनिमम वैल्यू होगी ये वाली, मैक्सिमम वाली होगी ये वाली. Example, from f of x equals to sin x plus cos x, x is between 0 and pi by 2. We have sin x cos x f dash of cos of minus x minus sin x. For local and local maximum minima, f dash of x is equal to 0. Cos x minus sin x equals to 0. तो इस साइड चला जाए तो 10 sin upon cos equals to 10 equals to 1 और x is equal to pi by 4 in 0 x less than pi by 2. x की वैल्यू pi by 4 हो गई. x less than pi by 4 cos x greater than sin x. तो f dash of x is equal to cos x minus sin x less than 0. For x is greater than pi by 4 cos x minus sin x is less than 0, f dash of x is equal to cos x minus sin x is less than 0, f dash of x changes sign from positive to negative in the neighborhood of pi by 4. x की वैल्यू pi by 4 is a point of local maxima. Local maxima of f of pi by 4, x जगह pi by 4 रखे तो 1 upon root 2 plus 1 upon root 2, root 2 1 half of half root 2, तो positive root 2. A point of local maxima is pi by 4 and root 2. ये वही प्रोग्रेस हो जाएगा 6 सम्स है इजी. Use the second derivative for determination of maximum and minimum values of a function. We now given below another method of finding local maxima or local minimum of a function whose second order derivative exists. Various steps used for. 4 steps है. Let the given function be denoted by f of x. Find f dash of x and equate it to 0. Solve f dash of x is equal to 0. Let one of its real roots be x is equal to a. Find its second order derivative f double dash of x for every real value a of x obtained in step 3. Evaluate f double dash a, then if f double dash a is less than 0, then x is equal to 0 is a point of local maxima. F double dash a is greater than 0, then x is a point of local minima. If f double dash of a is equal to 0, then we use the sign of f dash of x on the left of a and on the right of a to arrive at the result. एक और एग्जांपल 35. x क्यूब फंक्शन दिया हुआ है 2x क्यूब minus 21x square plus 36x minus 20. अब इसका डेरिवेटिव करें 3 to the 6x square minus 42x plus 36. तो 6 कॉमन निकल जाएगा. For local maxima और local minima, f dash of x is equal to 0. 6 of x minus 1, x minus 2 is equal to 0. x की वैल्यू हो गई 1 and 6. क्योंकि दोनों इधर नेगेटिव है. Now f double dash of function f dash of x is equal to, इसका डेरिवेटिव करें तो 12x minus 42 होगा. तो 6 कॉमन निकल जाए तो 6 of 2x minus 7. For x is equal to 1, f double dash of 1 is equal to 6 into 2 into 1 minus 7 is equal to minus 30 less than 0. X is equal to 1 is a point of local maxima. X is equal to 1, 2 1 cube minus 2 1 into 1 square plus 36 1 minus 20 is equal to minus 3 is a local maxima. At x equals to 6 की जगह पे रख दीजिए 2 into 6 minus 7 into 6 is equal to 30 is greater than 0. x is equal to 6 is a point of a local minimum. अब x की जगह 6 रख दीजिए, पूरा सॉल्व कर दीजिए, आंसर आएगा minus 128. नेगेटिव आया तो लोकल मिनिमा हो जाएगा. ये वैसा ही एक एग्जांपल है 37 देख लेते हैं. फाइंडिंग द वैल्यू. ये भी इसका डेरिवेटिव कीजिए 2 बार. पहला जो 6 पहले पर इसका f of x है 2x cube minus 24x plus 1/107. इसका डेरिवेटिव करें 3 to the 6x minus 24. तो दूसरी बार डेरिवेटिव करें 6x square minus 24 का, तो 6 सिर्फ 12x रहेगा. तो x की जगह -2 रख दीजिए क्योंकि पॉइंट दिया हुआ है. तो -2 रखा तो हो गया -24. तो f double dash of -2 is less than 0, which implies the function f of x has maximum at point x equals to -2. मैक्सिमम वैल्यू चाहिए तो नेगेटिव साइन रख लीजिए. तो नेगेटिव साइन रखी तो हमको आंसर मिला पॉजिटिव में 139. Thus the point of maxima belonging to the negative interval -3 and -1 is -2 and the maximum value of function is 139. Now x double dash of x equals to 12x. So 2 रख दीजिए, 24 is greater than 0. 2 is lies in between 1 and 3. तो x की जगह 2 रख दीजिए, तो 2 into 2 cube minus 24, 2 plus 107, तो आंसर आएगा अपना 75. सेम वैसा ही है, एक साइन वाला एग्जांपल दिया हुआ है, तो प्रोग्रेस देख लीजिए, एक कर दे दीजिए सर छोटा ही. f of x equals to sin x of 1 plus cos x in 0 and pi. तो f of x equals to sin x of 1 plus cos x. तो डेरिवेटिव करें तो sin का डेरिवेटिव cos 1 plus cos x as it is plus sin x as it is 1 plus sin x का डेरिवेटिव minus sin x. तो मल्टीप्लाई करें तो cos x plus cos square x minus 1 minus cos square x is equal to 2 cos square x plus cos x minus 1. तो स्टेशनरी पॉइंट्स हो गए f dash of x is equal to 0, तो 2 cos square x plus cos x minus 1 equal to 0. तो cos x की वैल्यू हो गई minus 1 and 0, क्योंकि ये फॉर्मूला है 1 minus 1 plus or minus under root of 1 plus 8 upon 4, तो is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 3 upon 4. तो minus 1 plus 3 करें तो हो गया 2 by 4, तो 1 upon 2, minus 1 minus 3 करें minus minus plus, तो minus 4 upon 4, तो minus 4 4 जा कट, तो minus 1 is the answer. तो x equals to pi and pi by 3, 0, f of 0 equals to 0, f of pi by 3 सॉल्व करें तो 3 root 3 by 4 होगा, तो sin of pi equal to 0, तो f of x is the maximum value 3 root 3 upon 4 at x equals to pi by 3. जब x की वैल्यू pi by 3 होगी तब जो आपका फंक्शन होगा वो मैक्सिमम होगा. वैसे ही एक और एग्जांपल है 29.11 applications of maximum minima to the practical problems. The application of the derivative is a powerful tool for solving problems that call for minimizing or maximizing a function. In order to solve such problem, we follow the steps in the following order. Frame the function in terms of variable discussed in the data. With the help of a given condition, express the function in terms of single variable. Lastly, apply condition of of maximum minima as discussed earlier. Example: find two positive real numbers whose sum is 70 and their product is maximum. Solution: one number is bx, the sum is 70, the other number is x minus x. 70 minus x. As the two numbers are positive, we have x is greater than 0 and 7 minus x is greater than 0. So 70 minus x is greater than 0, so x is less than 70. So 0 is less than x is less than 70. Let their product be f of x, then f of x equals to x of 70 minus x, 70x minus x square. We have to maximize the product f of x. We therefore find f of x and put that equal to 0. F dash of x is equal to 0. 70 minus 2x is equal to 0. तो ये इस साइड चला जाए, तो 2 1s and 2 35s, तो x equals to 35. तो f double dash of x equals to minus 2, क्योंकि x की वैल्यू तो है ही नहीं, तो अकेला minus 2 रहेगा, which is negative. Hence f of x is maxima at x equals to 35. The other number is 70 minus x equals to 35. तो x equals to 35 as it is. मिनिमम दो नंबर है आपके, दोनों के दोनों नंबर हो गए आपके 35 and 35. एक और एग्जांपल है 2040. Show that among rectangles at given area, the square has at least perimeters. Solution: let x, y be the length and breadth of rectangle respectively. Its area is equal to x and y. Since its area is given, represent it by a, so that we have a equals to xy, y equals to a by x. Now perimeters say p of rectangle is equal to 2 of x plus y, p is equal to 2 of x plus ax, dp by dx is equal to 2 1 minus a upon x square. For minimum p of dp by dx equals to 0, that is 2 of 1 minus a square upon x, a upon x square is equal to 0. तो a equals to x square और under root of a is equal to x. D square p upon dx square is equal to 4a upon x cube, which is positive. Hence perimeter of a minimum when x equals to under root of a, y equals to a upon x is equal to x square upon x is equal to x, where x a is equal to x square. एक और एग्जांपल ऐसा ही है, सेम ही है, इजी है. रेक्टेंगल वाला अभी देख लेते हैं. शो दैट of rectangle inscribed in a given circle, the square has maximum area. Let ABCD be a rectangle inscribed in the circle of a radius r, and the diameter AC equals to 2r. So AB is equal to x and BC equals to y. Then A square B plus BC square equals to AC square, or x square plus y square is equal to 2r square is equal to 4r square. Now area of A of a rectangle is equal to x and y. A is equal to x under root of 4r square minus x square. dA by dr equals to x of minus 2 upon 2 under root of 4r square minus x square plus under root of 4r square minus x square into y. 4r square minus 2x square upon under root of 4r square minus x square. तो इसमें क्या बोला गया था, एक सर्कल के अंदर रेक्टेंगल है, तो फॉर मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम dA by dx equals to 0, 4r square minus 2x square upon under root of 4r square minus x square equals to 0, where x equals to under root of 2r. dA square upon d square a upon dx square equals to derivative u and v rule equals to minus 4x into 4r square minus x square plus x of 4r square minus 2x square upon upon 4r square minus x square the whole power 3 by 2. तो फर्दर कैलकुलेट करें तो आंसर होगा 8 into under root of 2r cube upon 2 root 2 upon r cube. तो यहाँ से ये कट होगा, ये कट होगा, यहाँ से एक ये कट होगा, इधर से ये, तो 2 4 is 8, minus 4 is less than equal to less than 0. Thus a is a maximum when x equals to under root of 2r. Now from 1 y equals to under root of 4r square minus 2r square, where under root of 2r. Hence x equals to y, hence rectangle ABCD is a square. ये वैसे एक सम है, इजी हो जाएगा. हाँ ये कर लेता है. The square metal sheet of side 48 centimeter has 4 equal sides removed from the corners, and the sides are then turned up so as to form a one box. Determine the size of the square cut so that the volume of the box is maximum. Solution: let the side of each of the small squares cut be x centimeter, so that each side of the box to be made is 48 minus 2x centimeter, and height is x centimeter. Now x is greater than 0, 48 minus 2x greater than 0, so that is x equals to 20 less than 24. x lies between 0 and 24, दोनों के बीच में आता है. अब ये एक शीट है जो जिसके स्क्वायर कॉर्नर में कर दिए, लेंथ छोटी जो उसकी लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ होगी l into l, वो होगा xx जो स्क्वायर का होता है. Now volume v of a box 48 minus 2x into 48 minus 2x into x. तो v is equal to 48 minus 2x. v is equal to 48 minus 2x the whole square into x. So dv by dx equals 48 minus 2x the whole square plus 2 into 48 minus 2x into minus 2 of x वही सॉल्व करें फर्दर में। तो 48 माइनस 2x इंटू 48 माइनस 6x। कंडीशन फॉर मैक्सिमा और मिनिमम इज dv by dx equals to 0। तो 48 minus 2x, 48 minus 6 is equal to 0। We have either x equals to 24 or x equals to 8। दो अलग अलग वैल्यू होगी, या 24 होगी या फिर 8 होगी। तो x 0 और 24 के बीच में आएगा। रिजेक्टिंग x equals to 24, x equals to 24 है उसको भूल जाइए। We have x equals to, एक ही वैल्यू है x equals to 8, ये वाली। तो d square v upon dx square equals to 24x minus 384। तो d square v upon dx square x equals to 8, जो ये वाली है इधर x की जब 8 कर दीजिए 24 into 8 minus 384, 192 minus 384 equals to minus 192 less than or equal to 0। Hence x equals to 8, the volume is maximum, hence the square of side 8 centimeter should be cut from each corner। इसमें एग्जांपल है ऐसा एक, चेक योर प्रोग्रेस। 6 9 11 सम है, एंड हेंस लेट्स सम अप। हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा वो इसमें दिया हुआ है। इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन, डिक्रीजिंग फंक्शन पढ़ा, फिर मोनोटोनिक फंक्शन भी पढ़ा, सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव पढ़ा, एंड सपोर्टिव वेबसाइट्स।